Hello over there at BlueCrew Landscape Company. Thank you, first of all, for giving us the green light to send this video to you guys. We really do appreciate it. My name is Eddie Medina and I work with Boundless SEO. And yes, we are a digital marketing agency. I was doing some research in your area and I came across your company's website and decided to contact you. I figured I'll shoot a quick video to give you 3 tips on how you can improve your website and beat out your competition online. In this video, I will show you what you have going behind the scenes of your website here and comparing it to one of the competitors around your area. Now, I don't want to waste too much of your time, so I'll keep this super short. If by the end of this video you are interested in our strategies, please give me a call so we can further chat. If not, no harm, no foul. Not a problem. If you can even take this video as educational and try it yourself, just be very careful if you do. All right. Let's get to it. The 3 things I like to go over is your content, backlinks, and citations. Your website looks good. This is, I believe this is your company's website. The colors are good. Downloading speeds are great. I see all these services you offer here around these areas. Temecula, yeah, it's fairly good. Again, yeah, the downloading speed is good. The website is secured, so looks pretty good. Typically, you want to see around 1,500 words of text content. This will, of course, improve relevance to the services that you offer and also a level of trust inside of Google for a better ranking. So in that 1,500 words of content, you really want to start inserting keywords organically without stuffing. What I mean by stuffing is spam or spamming, in other words. For example, having keywords all over the page, making it obvious your intentions are just to throw these keywords and not following protocol, that's just going to hurt your website. So you got to be very careful. Believe it or not, Google will actually flag your website if protocol is not followed. So you really want to avoid that. Let's jump into Ahrefs here. This is a paid tool, of course. Here we'll view the back end of your website, what you currently have on your back end. You can simply go to Ahrefs' website, type in your URL here, and this is what you have going. Organic traffic. It looks like you're not getting any traffic going onto your website organically. Organic keywords. When you hear me say keywords, these are buyer intent keywords. A good keyword would be, for example, let's go back to your website here, a service that you offer around your area, lawn mowing, Temecula, California. If I search that inside of Google, that's where, that's a good keyword to have if, in fact, it is a high keyword or a good search volume. That's pretty much what we do in our end. We investigate all that. But let's go back here. Backlinks 135, referring domains 12. The second thing I like to make you aware of is backlinks. When you think of the website, it's easy to imagine there are numerous websites linking to one another. Well, a backlink is just that. So it's a website that's sending traffic to your website via a URL or a hyperlink. Please be aware though, not all backlinks are created equal. If you add a backlink to your website that has nothing to do with your industry or services, that can actually hurt your website. Just be careful on that. Backlinks are your UR level here, which you have 11, you have 135, which is not bad depending on how old is the website here, which doesn't give me any information. So 135, you might, just a heads up, you want to keep your UR and the DR at a 1-to-1 ratio. We'll go into the DR here next, but backlinks, just try to get those good quality backlinks. The third thing I want to go over is citation. A citation is essentially your company's business name, address, and phone number listed throughout the website in different directories. A directory would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. Any one of those websites out there that allows business owners to list business information and services, pretty much to create a new avenue for people to reach them for their services. That is what a citation is. And that would be your DR meter here, which you have 0. Looks like you have no citations going for you. And again, you keep this at a 1-to-1 ratio and you should be fine. Finally, if a website is lacking keywords, backlinks, and citations, that site is not really getting any boost, which of course leads to missing out on opportunities like calls and leads and people jumping into your website, which you currently don't have. Let's go over to one of your competitors around your area there. It looks like Adams Landscaping is one of them. This is their homepage. They do not have that 1,500 minimum but they do have some power going behind it. And that's because of the backlinks, citations, and referring domains. They do have more keywords, of course, 91. By per month, they're getting around 215 people jumping onto their website organically. What I mean organically is with organic keywords, using backlinks and referring domains. 22 and 21, that 1:1 ratio is close to it, but this is good thing that they're going. It's not unstoppable. We can beat these guys. You can beat these guys. This is 215, going onto the website in a monthly basis. That's pretty good. Hopefully this has been informative and educational for you. I really hope you got a lot out of this. If you need more information or have any questions, please give me a call so we can further chat. You can call, text, or send me an email. We're here for you. Hope to hear from you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.